Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If command prompt is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we can do is try to launch the command prompt through the run dialog. So for that we'll press the Windows and the R key, and then we will type the command or input the command cmd. Now if you want to run the command prompt as administrator, which we should, because otherwise none of the commands have any value in the normal configuration, we need to run command prompt in the elevated configuration. So what we will do is we will press the control shift and then press the enter key. So we'll hold the control key, the shift key, and then press the enter key, and command prompt should run as the administrator in the elevated mode. Now we can enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to run and for it to fix the errors. Now, if the command prompt doesn't open in this way, then we can open PowerShell by looking in the search bar. We'll go to Windows PowerShell, right click, run as administrator, click on yes, and then we'll input the command sfc space slash scannow, press enter and wait for the scan to run. Now this should normally fix the problem, folks. Command prompt should again be able to launch, but if it doesn't, then maybe a third party antivirus is blocking it. So we will remove the third party, uninstall the third party antivirus by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, going to apps, going to installed apps. Then we will look for the third party antivirus here. Once we find it, we'll click on the three dots here and then click on uninstall and uninstall again, and we will restart the computer by clicking on the start button and the power button and clicking restart, and your command prompt should start working. If it doesn't, then we have only two options, folks. One is to do a system restore to restore it back to a original, to a previous date and time. So you can look for recovery, go to recovery, and then click on open system restore, click on next, and then click on a restore point that you have created or a one that Windows has created, and then click on next and click on finish, and it should restore to a previous date and time where command prompt was working. If nothing else works, then we need to reset the computer. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on system, go down and look for recovery, then we'll click on reset PC, and we will click on remove everything. Now before you do this, I advise you to back up all your personal data onto a external hard drive. So after that, you can click on remove everything, then you can click on cloud download next, and it should reinstall a brand new version of Windows into your system, and then command prompt should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.